Hi traders, you're welcome back once again to the Bullish Bear FX Academy. My name is Tim Legend. I'm super excited having you all here today on this one. So you're welcome back once again to the 2024/2025 trading syllabus. Here in this channel, our goal is to teach you a whole lot you need to know and probably everything you need to know about trading from start to finish till you become a professional in this. And the goal is we want to take you guys step by step until we make sure that you are good in the trading industry. So what you want to do in case it is your first time here is to hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and please, as a way to show the support and as a way to show that indeed you appreciate our efforts and what we're doing in this channel, make sure to hit the like button. And at the course of the video, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop them on the comment section, because based on your question, I will understand where you need more explanation and know how to teach you more even in subsequent videos. All right, so make sure you engage in the comment section. So let's get into the main video.
So viewing out more to see clearly. With what we can see, price has just broken through the trend line that was giving us a bullish move of the market, and currently it broke out of it and has retested. That should give us a sign that, man, this guy might still want to come down here, because this is the original support level we were talking about. It just had a first touch here, and after a long time it's still yet to come down all the way to here. I don't know how long it's going to take though, but since we've had this breakout, all right, and retest, and we can see all those candlestick reactions there, that is telling us that, man, the bulls are trying to push back, but they're really weak. They're not showing up so much. Okay, so we might likely want to say price might want to come down to test this level for the meantime, right? Because we are trying to know what we should follow for the day. Okay, and in our 4 hour time frame, we could picture a strong downtrending market, which could tell us let's sell along with the trend. Okay, but you don't just have to sell along blindly. You have to ask yourself, where is price currently? So we could see that price is currently close to a certain support level. So unless price breaks out of this strong support level, that's where we can prove let's sell along. But we can decide to say, let us try. We can decide to try out. We can decide to try out placing a sell. That should be our trade for the first trade for the day. Placing a sell, since we could see the price had just broken recently from this trend line and retested it. But let's be sure, going to a much lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if we can get any good chart pattern there. What's this? Okay. Why is this thing disturbing me now, huh? Okay. So on the 1 hour time frame, I don't know what pattern to call this. It's looking to me like some kind of an inverse head and shoulder. I hope this market is not trying to trick me. If I'm seeing clearly, it looks to me like some kind of an inverse head and shoulder. Yeah. Okay. Guys, what everybody look into that chart. What are you also seeing? Are you seeing any pattern different from the inverse head and shoulder that I'm seeing? Let us know, because this is on a replay, so we're going to play to know where it's going to go soon. So let's all do the analysis together. What do you see? To me, I'm seeing an inverse head and shoulder. Talk to me, trader. What do you see? Let me see. Let me check for. Let me see if I can have any supply zone. Any suggestion before I conclude? Because within me,
Hello?
I can hear you, trader.
Yeah. I think this is forming a symmetric triangle.
arithmetic triangle, like
Yeah.
a falling wedge or what?
Yeah, almost like the falling wedge, but little differ. Yes.
Like this.
Yeah.
So what does this pattern tell you? Bullish or bearish?
This pattern tells me uh it could be a bullish signal.
To me, this pattern tells me is a range. It could go anywhere because
Okay.
for a rising wedge should be like this. Rising wedge, the two lines should be facing upward. Instead, later you can see something like this, maybe kind of a triangle, but facing to the upside. A falling wedge should be facing to the downside. I don't know why this thing is
Uh,
disturbing me.
Hello, but
But
a symmetric triangle is a little differ from this, I guess.
yeah, yeah, like for the triangle we just drawn here, okay,
Yeah.
this kind of a triangle can prove the market can go anywhere because this kind of a triangle is formed out of a range. If you observe here, this is a range actually. This thing is a range.
Uh, also, please, what is this triangle called? Is it a pavement or
I don't know the name. I really don't
okay?
know the name. But to me, anytime I see this kind of a triangle that is pointing sideways, is a range to me, and it proves that it can go anywhere. It can break out to the upside or downside. That's how I usually define it. You get. So maybe having this line here that we just put anyway, we could say if we could check if price will touch it and fall. Yeah. Okay, so let's just try out. Now the thing is, anytime you're really not clear about the market, it's better not to place a trade. Okay, until when you're clear. Because for me, I'm actually looking at it as some kind of an inverse head and shoulder. But that does not mean I'll place a buy until I see it break back in here. Okay. Then on the other hand, I could just see that it looks some kind of like a retest. I could sell back down because this is where I'm still watching that price is coming down here. So let's just see where price decided to go after all the illustration. Let's see.
The according to the sorry, according to that diagram, as in what you draw just now about the triangle is a bullish pen net.
It says a bullish what? Bullish what?
Pen net. Pen net. Yes. Pattern.
Mm, okay, so for for this kind of a triangle, is based on where the market is coming from. If the market is coming from the uptrend and creates that kind of a triangle, then you can call it a bullish pennant. So let's see for the bearish. Let's see for this is for the bearish. You see, it was bearish here. It created it. Okay. So which means if we are going to judge it based on that, then we are going to have to call it a bearish pendant. That's what it means. Okay, so let's say the bearish pendant. So let's see how it goes anyway, because with what I'm seeing is still using sky to go to the upside. See, it has gone to the upside. So imagine we placed a sell there actually, it would have really taken our stop loss off. It has gone to the upside because I was seeing that inverse head and shoulder on the 4-hour time frame. Was it on the 4-hour time frame we saw it? or is it on this 1 hour time frame? Because I'm not seeing it again. It's hidden from my eyes now. Okay, it was on the 1 hour time frame we saw it. So this guy now has gone back to the main trend. Okay, so this is where you want to now say, okay, let me look for selling opportunity. Okay, this is how you. This is the kind of. This is what we talk about practicing. It has even left me. I should have placed an instant trade there. This is kind of like a rejection, a bearish candle. Let me see if it can give me a bullish move. Okay, now let's place stop. Let's place a sell around here and target back to the trend line. Just hope we don't get stopped out, because this market can be crazy sometimes. We have this. This is actually a resistance here. Okay, so let's see how it goes on this end, the 1 hour time frame. Okay, stop loss hit. Okay, so we lost that one. So let's try out. Let's see if we can get a reasonable pattern around here, because it's currently at a resistance zone. This gold chart is really getting on my nerves. Okay, delete if you want to delete. Let me know rest. Yeah, so let's see if we can get any reasonable pattern, chart pattern around here. And look the way it left us. See how it left us. So like play, it has created a supply zone here. So anytime I see price come back here, I'll place a sell for it. So let's try placing a sell and see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. We have to target above this line here. So that was a win for us, and it's back into the zone. So we lost the first trade. So let's say we lost 20 pips on our stop loss the first time, and this time around we are targeting, but we've just hit a TP1. Let's target TP2 to be here and see how it goes. This trend line should stay quiet. Retesting the trend line. TP2 hit. Then our TP3 should be somewhere below here. This is still where we are targeting. You see this zone? It's still on my eyes. I still got my eyes on it. You target a TP3, but for the meantime, you can lock your profits. You can lock our profits, and this gold chart is really come back. Even the control
So,
set is not working. Wait, where is the replay?
uh, I thought the arrow would be much better than the cross.
The the arrow. Okay, let's see. Hey, let me bring this thing back.
Ozeba.
How the thing is just capturing my chance. Don't like this. Don't like this. It's
Hello,
capturing
there are two arrows there. The second one.
this one.
The last one.
Presentation.
The last one, yeah. Yeah, presentation.
All of them are still gonna be doing the same thing.
Yeah, that's it the same.
Okay, so I'm still targeting here as TP3. Let's see how